Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. So before it, we've been seeing recent trending allegations against Kaizer Motaung, the founder and the chairman of Kaizer Chiefs. He has not been directly charged, but kuna allegation that is directed to him with corruption in recent major reports. However, his son and the club football manager Bobby Motaung is currently at the center of explosive corruption and bribery allegations that have resurfaced lapha ke ngama scandals ke ake awenza ngaphambilini. So njengoba ku 2026 these are recent allegations akhe ke lapha uBobby Motaung in April lapha ke suspended Mpumalanga police commissioner esimazi ke ngoManamela made serious claims implicating yena ke uBobby Motaung in a high level bribery scandal lapha ke kubalulwa khona u5 million rand we bribe la kuthiwa khona ke uMotaung is alleged to have paid this bribe to a national police commissioner Okufani Masimula. The purpose of this payment was that the payment was intended to keep Manamela suspended to prevent her from reopening old case dockets related to Jimmy Mohlala murder. Lapha ke bese case le kaMohlala Jimmy Mohlala he was a whistleblower lapha ke on 2010 World Cup Stadium corruption whom he was assassinated in 2009. Allegations says that or suggest that Motaung sought to be one of the permanently barriers of the investigations linking him to the death and the stadium tender. So iyona ke lento ethi ayithinte yena lapha ke umfoka Motaung. So these are some of historical corruption cases that were meant also to be prevented. Lapha ke i-stadium lesayana ke ukwakhiwa kwaso Bobby Motaung was arrested in 2012 ukuthintana naso leso stadium for fraud and forgery related to a $17 million contract for the Mbombela Stadium. The state alleged his company ke lapha ke Lefika Imaging Equity used a forged text document to win the tender. The case state has also according to the updates and also allegations, while charges were provisionally dropped in 2013 due to the state's lack of readiness. The Hawks have reportedly moved to resuscitate these fraud cases as of 2024. Ngamanye amazwi kungenzeka ukuthi ke zonke lezi zinto or wonke lama allegations or wonke lama case aphinde futhi ke enze njani abuyekezwe abhekwe kabusha. There are also financial battles surrounding these case or allegations. In March 2026, creditors approached the High Court to sequestrate uBobby Motaung estate and attach his shares in Kaizer Chiefs to recover lawyer 4.5 million from a failed 2009 property deal. Anyways guys, do comment on the section down below just to hear your views regarding ama-allegations abhekiswe kuyena ke uMotaung. We know ukuthi abantu abaningi baye bazwakalise ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, but then do make us a favor and comment on the section down below uzwakalise ke uvo lwakho mayelana ke nawo lama-allegations. Danko.